Anyway, there's a couple versions of this, and my car uses this version, so this was the version I put on. So that being said, let me just tell you guys. Um, so when I was considering buying this, whether I should just go cheap and buy one of these, or just maybe consider buying something a little bit more expensive, one of the considerations that came up was this portion of the of this rack system right here, and this was the only thing that got me because I was thinking, I don't know what you guys are thinking when you guys are buying this stuff. I mean, obviously you don't want this flying off when you're driving. Obviously, that's one of the things. But I'm looking at the way this is set up. A, I like the fact that there's a locking system with keys. And B, I like, yeah, I don't think this is gonna fly off. That wasn't one of the things that was under consideration when I was well, maybe that was, but it wasn't a fact in deciding this because after watching all the videos, I knew this locked pretty good. And if you go to any of these items on Amazon, any of the negative reviews, you see even with like $200 systems, you see people posting negative comments about this flying, the crossbars flying off and their cargo unit flying off. But I mean, that wasn't so you get that all around depending on what system you're looking at, with those reviews. So this isn't this having it locked in and having it locked in and secure wasn't one of the considerations. That wasn't really a big consideration because I knew that after watching probably some of the videos that you guys watched also on YouTube, that this was this locked in pretty good without an issue. That wasn't the issue. All right, I was looking at it and I was contemplating at how whether this was too thin or whether the thinness of portion this portion that connects to the undercarriage of where the door is, and which pretty much tightens the whole entire system. This was the consideration that I was looking at. I was thinking to myself, all right, the metal kind of looks thin. Now let me tell you guys, this is the first this is the first of this locking system that I've crossbar locking system that I've actually considered buying or have ever used. So I was looking at this and the metal looks kind of, to me it looked in the picture I was like, it's kind of thin, but I wasn't looking at this like, oh, it's so thin that it's going to come off while I'm driving, etc., etc., it's going to break off, etc. That wasn't one of the considerations. I mean, I was thinking about theft actually. I mean, the thinness of the metal, I was thinking to myself, if I bought this, and I don't know what kind of neighborhoods you guys are in, but if you guys are, depending on what neighborhood you guys live in or what kind of conditions you guys are, I mean, situations come up and etc., etc. So it really doesn't have to be a bad neighborhood you guys live in. But if somebody wants to steal your cargo box, I was thinking that was one of the considerations as far as like the thinness of this metal. I was thinking, somebody could use maybe like a sheet cutter, a sheet cutter or some kind of um, like clippers or something like that. Maybe they could just clip off, four of these pretty easily, considering the metal isn't that thick, and just cut them off and take the storage box. Now I don't know whether that's a big consideration on a lot of people who are purchasing this, but that was a huge consideration that came up. I don't want people stealing my storage box. If you guys look online, with how much the storage boxes cost, and for whatever reason, they're fairly expensive. They're anywhere, the Thules and the Yakimas are anywhere from like $300 to $400, $240. Obviously, there are a ton of Sears cargo boxes out there, and Jags and stuff like that, the lower brands. But I just really don't want the hassle of having somebody steal my storage box and the stuff in the storage box. So that was a big consideration on whether I was looking to buy it or not. But I took a chance. I bought it, and this was pretty much, and having it been shipped to me and looking at it, this was pretty much the only I guess nudge that I may have against this. But seeing after putting everything together, and just let me tell you guys, putting this together was simply very, very, very simple. I probably looked at the instruction. It did come with instructions. I looked at the instruction, maybe glanced at it for like 5 seconds, and had this like 99% put together. But just to give like having put, needing to put this together and stuff like that, I looked at it for 5 seconds and was able to figure out, what the deal was with everything. So putting it together, I would say ease was 9 out of 10 was very, very easy. Very, very, very simple. It was very, very, very simple. But going back to what my issue was with this, and somebody cutting it and taking off with your storage box, particularly if you have an expensive storage box. You don't want to do that because they're very expensive. You don't want to have that happen. So I was thinking to myself, not a big deal, right? I mean, if this was to the size of my roof and I was able to use it, I would have used this. I would have used it. And I'll tell you guys why. Once I thought about it, A, it's $57. B, 99% of it's well built, and the portion of it that I might, because it's not, this is it's rigid. The metal is rigid. It's not flimsy. It's thin for sure, but it's thin for a reason. All right, it's not like this metal right here at the very end where it's just absolutely, you can't. It's not bendable, obviously for obvious reasons. But this is bendable because you gotta ratchet it. Okay, but I mean, for what it is, it will definitely keep your storage box secure on the roof without it moving, while you're driving, without any, complications coming up as far as getting loose and falling off and stuff like that. But let me tell you how I would solve this situation, keeping it, if this had fit. And I would definitely have kept it if it had fit. So basically, if you guys go to the Home Depot, in the woods, in the section where they sell wood, wood planks, like wood sheet and stuff like that. Wood sheet, like wood, plywood and all that stuff. There's a section where they have these metal brackets, and they always have this section of metal brackets. I think they're wood binding brackets or whatever. And some of them are L-shaped. Some of them are just, the same shape as this. Some are long. Some are thicker. Anyway, had I kept this, if this actually fit, I would have definitely kept it. And I would have bought like maybe two of those wood metal bindings, and cut it in half and just slipped it into the rubber, and that would actually resolve that whole situation of somebody just cutting it, because the thickness of those metal pieces would definitely have, you probably wouldn't have been able to cut it with a sheet metal cutter or thick clippers or whatever, because I would have put it one on one each side, and that would have just made it thick enough where I wouldn't have to worry about somebody trying to cut it. And because of that, those metal strips that they sell at Home Depot, maybe like $2. So because of that, and I know I would be able to do that. I would definitely have kept this, and it would definitely make this a worthwhile buy. So, if that wasn't a consideration to you, and theft of your storage unit wasn't like a consideration to you, that wouldn't be like one of those deterring things to keep you from buying this. But even if it was, it's just, it's a $2 fix. So I would definitely keep this. I would definitely have kept this, to be honest with you. So so overall, just to give you guys a general score as far as my review for this, I'll definitely give this like a thumbs up. I definitely give this a thumbs up. But obviously these are specified to a certain length, and I think they only have it. They only have these specifically, these locking types, ratcheting types at I believe I saw one for 43 inches and 45 inches. I actually need one for 50 inches, and apparently they're not out there. I didn't see this on eBay for 50 inch, and I actually needed to lock with keys and etc. To have this lock, because nobody wants the storage box stolen, particularly at, particularly if you're keeping stuff in there, particularly if you obviously if you have it, they kind of are pretty expensive, especially for the higher make ones. But yeah, if you guys are considering getting this, definitely pick this up. Definitely pick this up. If you guys had that concern as I did with somebody thinking that there's a chance that somebody could cut this 4 of these from and then taking your storage box, just know that there is a there is a way to I'm at a loss for words, guys. You know what I mean. There's a way to prevent that from happening, with just thickening up this portion of the metal. And all you gotta do is just slide it in. You don't even need to you want to put some crazy glue and slide it in, you could do that, or you could just slide it in. It's not it's not gonna, but you probably just put some crazy glue and just slide those metal pieces in, and they're not gonna be able to cut it. They're not gonna be able to cut it that easy. I mean, if they wanted, they could probably use like bolt cutters or whatever, but regardless, I don't know, I don't think anybody's going to be walking around with bolt cutters, maybe sheet cutters and stuff like that. But if they got bolt cutters, they could probably cut the higher price one with the thick metal too. So anyway, I'm rambling on with this. So definitely a thumbs up. If you guys come across this on eBay, and you guys are thinking about getting it and not quite sure what the quality of the make is and stuff like that, just wanted to let you guys know that it's fairly well made for what it is. It's fairly well made. It should do its job, and even the most compromising part, which is the ratcheting piece of metal here, you guys there's a quick fix for it if you guys want to just thicken this up and prevent cargo storage box theft. But though it's a rare occasion that happens, I think. I mean, it doesn't come on, I haven't seen too much in the news about that. But anyway, if you guys have this and you guys want to drop a comment in the comment section, and just want to just want to give everybody else a little bit review on your experience with this, put it out there. If you guys have any questions or any kind of comment on this, please feel free to leave your comment in the comment section. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'm probably gonna just drop a link in the link description for this item, and if you guys want to purchase it, feel free to click on it. I'm not paid to promote this. I'm actually promoting. I'm just actually giving you guys a review of this. So I actually purchased this with my own money. But aside from that, have a good day, guys. All right, take care.